Attracting a tomboy may seem difficult, since what works with other girls may not work on them. But start by being friendly and confident. Avoid backhanded compliments and try joining a hobby she's into, such as pickup basketball or Call of Duty to get on her radar. When you talk, ask light questions about her favorite athletes. Maintain eye contact and genuinely smile. Show off your humor by laughing at yourself to prove you don't have a giant ego. And since tomboys are competitive, seek out interest where she can take the lead, like teaching you skateboard tricks or make a playful bet about her skills. Notice small changes in her appearance. Lean in slightly to signal attraction. And if she's receptive, ask her out on a casual date to a favorite activity or spot. Finally, be sure to respect both her masculine and feminine sides without boxing her into stereotypes.